Are you feeling totally unappreciated, taken for granted? Do you have to ask for every bit of affection or appreciation you get? Is the spontaneity gone? Well, I have solutions. My name is Harold Haven Boggs. I'm a licensed therapist. My specialties are rebuilding marriages, alcohol and drug recovery, and trauma healing. And I am so excited to bring to you the #1 relationship skill in the world, the 6 trust builders. Hey, first, please help us out. Smash that like button, subscribe, comment, share this lesson with those you care about. It does make a big difference. So back to our program. We've covered the 6 trust builders in previous videos. Today, I have a bonus, number 7, for you. The result of good marriage counseling is restored relationships. The key to restored relationships is friendship. And the key to friendship is trust. Trust is the fuel of friendship. So today, we're tapping into some bonus material from the Gottman Institute. On our quest for trust, I would like to distill a couple of Gottman method techniques and their value in building trust. The technique is what I call the Gottman Timeout. Their research at the Love Lab at the University of Washington has discovered that when we get upset, the heart rate increases. When the heart rate reaches about 95 to 100 beats a minute, the body automatically shifts gears and releases adrenaline and cortisol into your bloodstream. It's automatic. It's called fight, flight, or freeze. You've probably heard about it. Well, when the adrenaline and cortisol hit the bloodstream, 3 of your body systems shut down. Your immune system shuts down. That's not good. Your digestion shuts down. That's not good. For a whole lot of people, when they're upset, they feel nauseous due to the adrenaline causing their digestion to shut down. The third thing that shuts down is your neocortex, the thinking brain. That's where logic and language live. So you're going to say things that you regret, and you can't think straight in order to problem solve. So what the Gottmans suggest is 4 steps. Number 1, you all quit talking. When you notice someone getting upset, you all quit talking for just a few minutes. Everybody in the family quits talking for a few minutes. It's not going to kill you. You quit talking. You make an agreement ahead of time. The whole family. You develop a signal. And when you're upset, when anyone notices anyone upset in the family, you give the signal and everyone stops talking. Number 2 in the Gottman Timeout, you back away from each other for a few minutes, for example, 15 minutes, and that will give all the upset people time for the adrenaline to dissipate. So, number 1, you stop talking for a few minutes. Number 2, you back away from each other for a few minutes, not a few hours, just a few minutes. You check back every 15 minutes to see if everyone is calm yet. Number 3, the Gottmans recommend that you do what they call physiological self-soothing. And the best example I use is to sit in a chair and do abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing involves pretending that there's a balloon in your stomach. As you inhale through your nose, you inflate the balloon, you hold it for a moment, and then you use a long, slow, smooth exhale. That slow, smooth exhale will lower your heart rate. As you lower your heart rate, your emotions will change. Some people take 15 minutes, Some take a half an hour, 45 minutes to calm down. It's okay. Once everyone is calm, get back together, sit down, brainstorm, and problem solve. Seated, sit down together. You can calm yourself any time you want to. Incidentally, as you're breathing for 15 minutes, thoughts about the past or the future may try to invade your mind, but I want you to say, no, thank you, and gently return your mind, your thinking to the present moment breath. Future worries may try to invade your mind. Catch it and say, no, thank you, and gently return your mind to the present moment breath. Past resentments may try to invade your mind. Catch it and say, no, thank you, and lovingly return your thoughts to the present moment breath. No beating yourself up. That's more wandering. As you breathe, you control your thinking, and the mind will wander. So no beating yourself up. You just simply catch it, bring it back to the present moment breath. No beating yourself up. No self-punishment. That's just the mind doing what the mind does. You gently bring it back time after time to the present moment breath. That's the work. With this mindfulness exercise, you're teaching your mind who is boss. You are the boss. It's not the boss. And so every 15 minutes, you check back and see if everyone is calm. If everyone's calm, you get back together, you sit down, you brainstorm, you problem solve. That's what adults do. So let's recap the Gottman Timeout. If someone is starting to feel angry, everyone quits talking, back away from each other, sit in a chair, do abdominal breathing. Every 15 minutes, check back to see if everyone's calm. When everyone's calm, sit together, brainstorm, and problem solve. If anyone gets upset again, take another timeout. So that's what I call the Gottman Timeout. It makes a big difference. It can make all the difference in your family. Again, please smash that like button, subscribe, share this video with the people you care about, and please comment. I would like this to be a dialogue. Now, I would like to ask you a question. Would you love to have a proven plan to restore your family and help your loved one get recovery? Do you think that perhaps your loved one is in a crisis, but you're not sure? I have some good news. I have put together a comprehensive online course to guide you each step of the way in your family's journey to recovery so that you can have full confidence in the support you give. What to do, what not to do, what to say, what not to say, so that you can help your loved one without losing yourself. Our online course is here, and we are excited. I provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to support your loved one on their journey to recovery now. It's called Helping a Loved One with a Drug Problem Without Losing Yourself, 5 Powerful Tools. With the proper tools, you can turn your mess into an opportunity. And there's a free ebook waiting for you. So go to wegetrecovery.com, click on the link for the ebook and the class, Helping a Loved One with a Drug Problem Without Losing Yourself, 5 Powerful Tools. Go to wegetrecovery.com. Go to wegetrecovery.com, click on the link for the ebook and the class, Helping a Loved One with a Drug Problem Without Losing Yourself, 5 Powerful Tools. Go to wegetrecovery.com,